How to fix Play Store download pending problem. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're trying to download any application to your phone but the Play Store is actually keep pending the application and it keeps loading, then here's how you can fix the problem at once. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to fix the Play Store download pending problem, the very first thing that you have to do, make sure to check out your internet connection. Swipe down from the very top and do it again, and then go ahead and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And right after that, go ahead and turn this option off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. But if you still have the problem, then follow the next process. In the next process, simply going to open up the settings app from your phone and then scroll down to the app section. And once you get the app section, go ahead and get into this one. Inside the app, go and tap on the search bar at the top and search for Play Store. And once you search for Play, you'll get to see the two different apps. One is Google Play Service, another is Google Play Store. First, simply going to open up the Play Store and then scroll down and tap on Storage. And inside the storage, go and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and then get back from here. Get back to the app section again and then go and search for Play Store once again. Now this time go and tap on Google Play Service, and once you tap on this, go to the same place to the storage here and then simply go and tap on Clear Caching. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back to the home page and then restart your phone once. And once you've restarted your phone, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, then this might be a storage issue. In case, you just need to go ahead and open up the settings once again from your device and then go and tap on the search bar at the top right and search for storage. And once you've searched with the storage, go and tap on the storage option, and this will give you the preview of your storage capacity. So make sure you have available free storage to install any apps to your device. So if you are running out of storage, then the pending issue is mainly occur. So if you're running out of storage, you can download some of the videos, photos from your device and free up some storage and download the app again, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.